Welcome to the Travel Expert Show. My name is Letitia Robertson, and I will be your host. And today I will be discussing 10 best cruise lines to consider for your family cruise. Now, these 10 were voted, were nominated actually by our panel of cruising experts, so they should be pretty good. Um, so just get a pen and paper so that when you're ready to um, plan your next family cruise, you know all the ins and outs, and you're ready to contact us and let us know exactly what cruise line you wish to board. So number 10 is Celebrity Cruises. Now, with Celebrity Cruises, you have access to 300 ports of call. Um, Celebrity Cruises routes and excursions are they're sure to be for every family dream. They go from, I mean, excursions are good for kids and adults. Uh, the party scene, arts and crafts, whatever you're interested in, as well as if you have family members who are autistic, they also have accommodations for that ship wide. So, that's something you really want to consider. Number 9 is A-ROSA River Cruises. That's it, it's actually, I know quite a few of you may not have heard of it, but that it's a smaller cruise line. It holds about 280 guests. So if you don't want that crowded feel, just enough cruisers, and as well as having a good time with your family, a Rosa River cruise is really really where you'd like to go. Now, this is one of our cruise lines that we tend to book the most, Royal Caribbean International. Now their fleet is quite large. They have water parks, swimming pools, tons of entertainment. So, family friendly dining. So if you have those picky eaters, that they can accommodate. They have destinations in Alaska, Asia, North America, and the South Pacific. Um, Western Caribbean, East Caribbean. Basically, there's quite a few places that you can cruise to. Now, this one is definitely for the kids, and the family as well, or the kids, or the kid at heart. Basically, Disney Cruise Line. Now, of course, this is a no-brainer. So you have Mickey and Minnie, who are your travel guides on the cruise ship, and they have the Disney shows, the fireworks, things of that sort. They also have Caribbean itineraries, so that includes a stop at Castaway Cay. That is Disney's private island. So with that, it will only be those that are, I guess, on a Disney cruise that would be on that island. So that's pretty cool. Our next one is most popular, Carnival Cruise Line. Um, their cabins can actually accommodate up to 5 guests. So if you want to put 5 guests in the room, they you can do that, kind of maximize your money, and they'll still be comfortable because the cabins are quite spacious. They also cater to the toddlers, those tweens, in between. Uh, and so it's very family friendly. They have water parks, game rooms, rope courses, things that sort. So, you kind of get a mixture of different type of options that you like to experience. They also have 24-hour room service, so you don't have to worry about missing a time. If you miss dinner, the specific dinner times, you still have 24-hour room service, so you can still get a meal. The next one is called UnCruise Adventures. Now, that is they're in Hawaii, Alaska, um, Baja California. So, and they have the excursion. So, you know, not that you really want, this is not really too appealing, but search for bears. You also get to search for orcas. They have kayaking, paddle board. Also, if you're into hiking, they have that as well. They also offer 500 discount, $500 discount for kids under 18. So, when you're thinking about planning your next family cruise, and you want to save quite a bit of money. The next one is Holland America. Now, this is more our premium experience type cruises. They cater to from 3 to 17. So it's like, they have the theme parties. They also, have gaming tournaments, poker nights, things of that sort. You get, one of their features, they have the whale watching, kayaking, and zip lining. So if you're into that type of thing, also, you know, searching for the penguins and things. So that would be, it's quite fun. The next one is Uniworld Boutique River Cruises. Now, Uniworld offers all-inclusive river cruises that the entire family would love, from shore excursions, onboard activities for the kids. So, they have things for every family member to do aboard the ship. So, you're not really bored at all. Bored, you have all these different experiences you can have. Now, this one, you really, with the name, you really don't think it's for the kids, but they do have kids activities. Margaritaville at sea. So it's not just a booze cruise for the adults. Margaritaville at sea is first and foremost about the lighthearted fun for guests of all ages. Therefore, there's plenty of Caribbean themed live music, game shows, karaoke kids clubs, theater performances. There's a cheeseburger in paradise burger bar. So, the kids love those type of things. Also, if you have those kids who always like, I want to swim with the dolphins. So they also have that particular excursion as well. And then last but not least is our Adventure Canada. So if you're interested in, let's see, the hiking, of course, photography outings, so it's more for like the young travelers, the explorer types. So in archaeology and botany, those types. But if that's what you're interested in, those are really really good. That's a really good cruise line that you can experience. So if you are interested and really want to get to, schedule your cruises, now you don't have to just stick to these. We can definitely book any cruise line that you would like to experience. So just give us a call, reach out to us. We will be happy to plan your next family vacation. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.